Hi everyone. In this session, I'm going to coach you the search campaign overview. So previous sessions we just created the display network campaign now. So let's say if you are trying to pause the campaigns, you can just select this pen icon, arrow icon, and you just click on the pause button. So your campaign will be paused. So again, I am going towards the all campaigns button, and if I just keep click on this pencil icon and again on the new campaign, and here you can see this time I am going for the sales one now, drive sales, online, phone calls, or in store. So if you just click here and then click on the continue button, you will be able to see a different kind of campaign types are presenting, and this time the format is the search campaign. So if you just click on the search campaigns, and then the goals are presenting in front of you, the website visits you can would like to target the phone calls or the store visits or the app. So let's say if I'm targeting on the website visits, so if you just need to select the website and just specify your website URL here now. So let me specify the URL of my website. Let's say https the www dot teachschool.ek. So after specifying your website, then you need to click on the continue button. And here you will be able to see you need to specify your search campaign name. So I just remain as it is. I just specify today date, so I will be able to remember it. Where your ad will be keep running on the search networks and the display networks more. So after that, just click on the show more options, and you need to select the end date when you need to stop your ad. If you would like to keep running your ad, you can keep running your ad. This is totally depending upon you. So keep the all the above options as it is, and you need to select your target country and the language, and there the audience segmentation. So here this is the part which we already covered in our last campaign which we were targeting. I don't want to keep highlighting all those points again in detail, because you can target like any kind of business education, career counseling, or whatever the product and services you are targeting now. You can select your target audience, and after that, then navigate down and select your budget, daily budget, how much budget on the daily basis you can specify depending upon your pocket and your goal and services, and keep selecting the bidding options as it is. And after that, just navigate down and click on the show more information, and just leaving the rest of the information. So the site links I will be keep letting you in our upcoming next sessions. What does this mean now? Thank you very much for watching this.